One of the things with Forma and the data that we have in Forma is the ability to report on things at a very granular level. And so if there's not a report currently available on the system, we've worked several times with the Forma team to help us create and extract the data elements that we need to, so that we're able to do the level of reporting that we want. And we obviously use this a lot when we're setting our quotas for next year or the following period. We're able to look back on the data that we have, and if there was any challenges that we had, we're working with the Forma team to help us, just try and identify maybe where we can make improvements. So a lot of times it's not necessarily just the reporting that we get; it's the analysis of that reporting that Forma is also been able to help us with, which has been immensely useful. Again, with quota setting or helping us identify where we could maybe make tweaks in our own plans, enhance the data collection. So there's just been a lot of different elements that we've used Forma for from a reporting standpoint. But again, we have set reports at the individual level where they're able to pull all of their transaction into there. Again, as a manager, you can pull all of your transactions for your whole team. You can export that to Excel. You can look on screen. You can filter that. But I think more importantly for us is those ad hoc reports where we're really trying to find the answer to a question, and we've been able to work with the Forma team for them to extract the data in the way that we need it. We've generally always been able to get that data, within 24 hours with an analysis of, hey, these are the places where there's issues. We also have, a weekly touch point with our team there. And if they're seeing anything that's coming from our set of data that we're sending, they're alerting us because they're constantly going through the data and reporting back to us any challenges that they're seeing. So like, we've missed a field, something skipped. So they're able to give us reporting that we're not even asking for. And so that's extremely helpful when you're dealing with the quantity of data that we're sending on a nightly basis. They're constantly doing their own back-end reporting to identify issues and challenges that will come up later down the road when we're doing the commission calculations.